Welcome to Regular Updates. My name is Nikhil Kumar. In this video, I'll be delivering today's top news headlines in the next 2 minutes. But before moving ahead, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Also, check out the link in the description to get the same headlines in Hindi. The CBI filed a supplementary charge sheet in the Augusta Westland VVIP chopper scam against the alleged key middleman Christian Michel James, Rajiv Saxena, and 13 others, including some government officials who were part of the negotiations for the Rs 3600 crore deal with the British-Italian company Augusta Westland. Prime Minister Narendra Modi targets opposition, tells farmers, "New laws will free you, don't be misled." The Lok Sabha recently passed 2 contentious agriculture bills despite the opposition of Shiromani Akali Dal, terming it anti-farmers move. The bill on agri-market seeks to allow farmers to sell their produce outside APMC, that is Agriculture Produce Market Committees, to whoever they want. Farmers will get better price through competition and cost cutting on transportation. However, this bill could mean states will lose commissions and mandi fees. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor announced Rs 1350 crore economic package. This package includes 50% discount in electricity water bills, stamp duty exemption up to March 2021. This bill is basically aimed at boosting the economic sector and other sectors in the newly formed union territory. The government looks to extend faceless assessment scheme, changes in IT, GST and Finance Acts. The bill proposes to amend the Income Tax Act, Central Goods and Services Tax Act, the Direct Vivad Se Vishwas Act and the Finance Act 2020. One of the proposals in the bill include exemption of donations made to the PM Cares Fund from the income tax, and even the limit of 10% gross income will not be applicable. The National Investigation Agency arrested 9 suspected Al-Qaeda operatives for planning terror attacks at Murshidabad in West Bengal and Ernakulam in Kerala. The agency claimed to have recovered large quantity of digital devices, documents, jihadi literature, sharp weapon, country-made firearms, a locally fabricated body armor, articles and literature used for making homemade explosive devices.